allowing the enemy to tell you lies about yourself. And let me just say this is not even about the enemy. This is just you're allowing people. This is not even about Satan. This is dealing with people. You're allowing people to dictate, put on armor that you can't fit. What David told Saul, no, they tried to put the armor on David. David said, I don't know, I can't fit that. That's it, that armor. I haven't used that armor. I didn't kill that lion. I didn't kill the bear with no armor. I killed it with a slingshot. Stop trying to allow people to put stuff on you that don't fit you. However, your whatever your travel was, whatever your process was, whatever God took you through and the way He took you through and the things that you had to go through and you went through it, and you followed these steps and you followed that step. Do not let people devalue what works for you. Because I realized once I stopped doing the things that work for me, I was thinking this morning about some decisions that I did make when we had our program up and running.